Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do task 4 on the Dino project. So on question 4 it states, on the 2020 sales worksheet in B16, use a function to display the highest sales from the range B3 to E12. So since right now I'm on the 2021 projections, I'm going to jump back over to 2020 sales. And then it says I need to go over to B16. So I'm going to go to my name box and I'm going to type in B16. From there, I'm going to use the max formula. So with a formula, it always starts with the equal sign. So equal MAX open bracket, and it states B3 to E12. So I'm going to type B3 to E12. From there, I'm just going to close my bracket, hit enter, and the maximum, the highest sale was this guy right over here. And as you can see, that was the formula that I used to enter it in. Hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next video.